Alright, clarinets. This is to continue what we started earlier in our video. So, kind of went through set 22 and 23 a little bit. I'm going to redefine what 23 is going to be. Alright, so we end 22. We're in a halftime walk. I think it should also have arm sways. I think we should actually make that we're going boom, 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 boom. Yeah? So, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. We'll continue that halftime march. So everybody is going to be in that same form, just pushing towards the end zone with the arm sways. We'll leave in a ripple based on the order in set 23. So we're in that line at the end of the set. Leave in that order. It will go from back to front. And when we leave, we should do something individual that is up and then takes us over our left shoulder. So when we are going toward the end zone, we'll take that left shoulder. It should all be similar. I don't think we need to define it as something exact, but I think it should all be similar in that we go up and then our arms travel up. So we have our left and our right. And from there, we're going to run into our spot. So up and then run all the way to the spot on the tarp. When we get to that spot on the tarp, go into an individual pose that will be connected. So we arrive in a ripple. We're going to be in a pose that is probably down a little bit, but has an extended arms. Could be either this way or this way. I think we should alternate it. We should have it kind of vary throughout the entire line so everything looks a little bit different. We should have different angles, we do different things with the feet, but they should all be connected. So we arrive in a ripple all the way through the end. I think that should happen around 24 to 28. I think we'll get there before 32 for sure. Make sure that happens, if nothing else. Leaving every count. So if we're at halftime, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, still leave every count. So instead of stepping on count 1, that person on count 1 would go and a 1, 2. Person on count 2 would step 1 and then kind of hop to the right foot quickly as they go into the jump. All right, it'll happen so quick that it's not going to matter, that every eighth note is not quite totally together, but we do need to see it happen in a ripple and that everybody's arms go up. So we see that kind of cascade across the form. So that's to get into set 23. Go into a connected pose when we're there. Hold that pose for set 24, the end of the sax feature, and hold also the first 4 counts to set 25. No, just start the rip on 1. Start the rip on 1. We can adjust it later if we need. Starting on 1, when we leave our spot, this is what the trumpets and flutes do earlier on the other side. We're going to move forward and twirl with the horn hopefully in the right hand. So when we go to that pose, let's think about the horn being in the right hand. When we twirl, we're going to step forward first to get out of that line, right? Then turn over the right, still traveling, right, left, front. That 4th count should be to the front whenever we leave. And make it a 1 count ripple. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and then from there, flutter to the spot. Just go ahead and flutter to the spots. But when we get to our spot, go to another individual pose. So we don't see the form exactly. We see it of the kind of developing it, but we don't see it until, so this is all the way through set 25 and to the end of set 26. So we have 2 16s to do this, long ripple. Get to our spot, pose, and on 13, 14, 15, let's all come up. 13, 14, 15, 16 step. So when we go to our spot then, in our pose, our right foot should be on that dot. So that when we close our feet, we can close to the right foot over our spot, and then all step off on 1 in that curved line. So we're building that curve from right to left. We just need to make sure that we're guiding then to the right. We're building that form based off of the people who arrive first. 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, step off, going to set 27.